All right. So, we're working with decimals. Today, we're going to get into a little further with adding and subtracting decimals. But before we do that, last lesson, we were rounding decimals. So here we're going to round this number to the nearest thousands. So 3/48, all that's left the decimal. We're not worried about that. We're dealing with thousands. So we're going to go once, which is tens, twice, hundreds, third is 1,000. So this is the number we're going to round. So if we look to the right of that, it's a 3. 3, we know it keeps it the same. So we do 348.060. And we need this last zero because we're rounding, so we need that placeholder that, hey, this is where we rounded to. If we drop the zero, it looks like we rounded to the hundredths and not the thousands. So adding and subtracting decimals. We're going to line up the numbers with the decimal point, and then we just simply add or subtract. So if we look at this first one here. So we have the decimals lined up here. So all we got to do is just subtract them. 7 minus 7 is 0. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. And then we just bring that decimal straight down, and we have our 56.0. Same thing adding. Start off, make sure they are lined up, which in this case we are. So now we can put this together. 5 and 7 make 12. 1, 3, and 6 make 10. 1, 2, and 2 is 5. And 1 and 1 is 2. Bring the decimal straight down, so 2502. All right. So what happens when they don't have the same number of decimals? Well, we add them in. So this 5 here, we'd put a 0, or put a decimal, sorry. And then it's 1 0, 2 0, 3 zeros to fill in those place values, and we subtract. So 1 minus 0 is 1, 6 minus 0 is 6, 2 minus 0 is 2. 8 now, or the 8 we're going to borrow from and make this 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Bring the 7 down, bring the 3 down, place in our decimal. So same thing here. We're 1 decimal short, so we're going to fill that one in. And then we're just going to add. So 7 and 0 make 7. 5 and 3 make 8. 1 and 2 would be a 3. 0 and 0 is 0. 5 and 3 is 8. Bring down the 8. Bring down the 5. And then we put our decimal in. So 5,880.387. So that's it for the lesson. Let me know if you have any questions. Remember, the next day is the quiz, since this is the third one. So tomorrow will be a quiz. And we'll talk to you later.